Hey there, Aaron with growlawnuglyweeds.com. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to put mulch around a crepe myrtle or tree and the wrong way. So, I just went to Lowe's in Burleson and picked up some mulch. And here it is. Don't judge me on my lawn. We cut down 2 big trees so we could put up the solar. I have my helpers Ada and Cheyenne today. This stuff is I use for service calls. There's a pro plugger, sharpshooters, like a step aerator. I can put a few holes in the ground. My soil probe, and that's where I keep my live shrimp when I go fishing. Tell me what view you guys like. Do you like the chest mounted view or the head mount? Right now I'm wearing a head mount. I have some footage about drenching crepe myrtles with Merit, and that was a chest mount. I'll put some footage in right now to show you the difference. But this first tree, I'm going to do it the wrong way. This is called a tree volcano. If you're ever driving by a QT, their crepe myrtles are done incorrectly. Eventually it's gonna be detrimental to the crepe myrtle. All right, one more. While I'm doing this, let me tell you about our other business called prettycans.com. We have a trash bin cleaning business in the Fort Worth area. If you have Fort Worth cans, we definitely service your area. We also service Lake Worth, Saginaw, down to Burleson. Some parts of Burleson or Tarrant County when they have Fort Worth cans. Oh, that's a little lopsided. And this is the part right here is the problem. Recovering the root flares. Here's what happens, and well, here's the example of the mulch being too high on this tree. And as I'm exposing the root flare right here, you know, it comes out. This root flare is going to come out thick, and then it goes to thin real quick, and your roots go out pretty far. But they start getting thin, smaller in diameter. And so I'm out here pulling back the mulch to expose these root flares, And this is what I was worried about. Now, for this one, I could just take some loppers and just cut this, and then hopefully that'll solve that. But as I move around the tree, if I see any more of that, I'm gonna cut this. It's not gonna affect the health of the tree any, but if I leave it here and this root continues to grow, and it can grow around and wrap around the tree and choke it out. And so that's what we want to prevent. Still going to continue to make this look a little better. All right, so I'm going to move this right away. So I'm not going to leave it here. I know it's not perfectly round, but you get the idea. The idea is right here. This is the problem area. So your root flares need to get air. And if they don't, they could start growing into the mulch and eventually girdle the tree. And that's going to be a huge problem. So I'm over here digging around my tree, trying to expose some of these root flares. But here's an example of root girdling right here. So that's what we don't want. So this is the wrong way. You'll even see crepe myrtles that have, I mean, let's do this. Let's get extreme here. Get 50% off your first clean with 2 cans. And we have a monthly subscription every 4 weeks, the day after trash day. Just leave your cans out curbside. We'll come by and treat them with high pressure 220 degree water. Kills all the germs. And we spray it with a deodorizer that smells really good that our customers love. And if you don't know you have a stinky garage, if you don't clean your can regularly, you have a smelly garage. You just don't smell it because you're there every day. If you've ever gone to somebody's house and walked in and it smells like cats, well, your garage probably smells like garbage can. All right, there's kind of a better example of a tree volcano. Now I'm going to go over to this other tree and do it correctly. So what I want to do is I want to expose any of the root flares that are coming off this tree. Now these aren't root flares, but this area here, I want to be exposed to the soil surfaces around this tree here. Okay, these little suckers are fine. You can trim those off. These aren't root flares, but can't really see them. Wait. Your root flares are going to be in here. I'm going to leave all of this area, no mulch right here, none. I'm going to start my mulch out here. And the purpose of this mulch is to funnel water to the base of your tree. That's it. All right, so I'm going to start about 18 inches from the tree. I might not need all of this. What is that? In the mulch. Now, if you have some mulch that's already around your tree, that's been there for a while, just pull back the mulch, expose those root flares, your tree will be a lot healthier for it. We do offer tree care, deep root injections, trunk injections for borers and micronutrient deficiencies. The emerald ash borer, which is going to be a real problem in Fort Worth soon. Already seeing it in some spots. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to need the other bag for this. Just make sure it's even all the way around, so it looks good and uniform. Now you don't have to use this much mulch. This is a little subjective right here. Whatever you like, you can use. But now, when it rains, it's gonna funnel the water to the base of this tree. Right? Water's gonna fall off the leaves, and it's gonna be captured inside this moat. Just think of your mulch ring here as a moat, and this is what it should look like. I use two cubic foot bags of premium brown mulch from Lowe's. That is how you don't do it. This is the correct way. All right, there you go. And that is the right way to do it, ladies and gentlemen. Now that's what I'm talking about. See, it just gets absorbed, just holds in that water. You don't want your root system pulling the water from your mulch. If your mulch is too high, no bueno. So there you go. This is the right way. And this over here is the wrong way. Thanks for watching the channel. Again, this channel is about before and after results, how to do things, showing the befores and afters. A lot of my videos have before and afters, and I don't like to do a video to show you how to spray something and then don't show the result of it. So please stay tuned to my channel. I really appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Aaron out.